Ai, ja mense, ek moet eers te lag because die mense se goat het nou gearrive teen Uzbekistan of Uzbekistan of whatever hulle is. En hulle is nou heel hype en heel attitude en heel arrogance, verstaan jy? I'm back, Ronaldo is die goat. Uzbekistan mense, wie is hy? Wie is hy? Sê my, wie is Uzbekistan? En dan sal ons, verstaan jy, dan sal ons debate oor hy. En anders praat van, ja, he's gonna score his 1000 goal, en wat hulle perform nou hier. En ek kyk hulle man net so, you know, we're not judging, we're just listening. But they are adamant that their goat is back. In all honesty, I think Ronaldo must come on as a substitute. He served his country well with dignity and respect, and he has done and has gone over and beyond for Portugal. Maar steeds om amen te sê. En the fans are holding on for die life. Soos iemand wat op ICU is. Of brain dood is. En die familie force dan nou om te sê, nee, die machine moet hom nou lewendig hou, verstaan. Maybe I'm insensitive by mentioning it, but it's that type of scenario when it comes to Ronaldo. Die fans wil nie let go om te sê die timer is oud. And there's a difference between talent and gift. Gift comes naturally. Talent, you have to work hard at it. And this old man is working hard on his talent. That's why I said now he's going to play maybe till he's 80. The way he's built, and Messi's just going about his business, enjoying his life, playing football, loving it, not being under pressure to perform, but accepting his fate to say, stla. Dis my laaste World Cup, of dis my laaste tyd wanneer ek ooit nog gaan speel, because he could retire after this, with a Ballon d'Or. Hoor my mooi, with a Ballon d'Or. So there's a difference between a gift and a talent. Ronaldo is talented, Messi is gifted, and we need to accept that. Amen.